am Shyam from Samsung R&D Institute, Bangalore. So I'm going to talk about the partnership between Samsung SmartThings and Scilabs, Silicon Labs, and also I'm going to explain about a little bit on Matter. So most of the people, like majority of here, they know what is Matter, right? It's a global IoT protocol standard based on Wi-Fi, Thread, and Ethernet that everyone knows. So before Matter, what happened is the devices are diversified. There are a lot of interoperability issues. So every ecosystem need to do the work with certification to work with their ecosystem. So this created dependency, right? In order to avoid that, Matter has come up with a generic standard that is called Matter standard. So where all the devices the device got certified with a Matter, it will interoperate with all this ecosystem. And there are a lot of global companies working behind all this. And as you know, the technology behind Matter. It's built on a proven and widely deployed technology such as Thread, Wi-Fi, BLE, and Ethernet. And Matter bringing the simplicity, interoperability, reliability, and security. If you look on the Matter 1.4, which is a recent release which is available, so one of the interesting feature is HARP, okay, home router and access point. So tomorrow, your home Wi-Fi access point is going to support Threadboard router. So Samsung SmartThings is the hub, is the first device which support ISP routers, access points, and setup boxes. So if you look on the Matter journey from Samsung SmartThings perspective, we started in 2022 September with the world first Matter certified hub. And after that, the journey started continuing. Last year, we certified Matter 1.2 and 1.4. And this year, 1.4 is already there in the market. And 1.5 test events are going on. Soon it will be released. There is always a discussion happening like what has happened to Zigbee or Matter, right? There is a comparison used to happen. We can see like there are 2,800 Matter manufacturers got certified. And if you look on the Zigbee, it is around 400. So which is around like 7x. 7x expansion is happening in the last 1 year for Zigbee and Matter. And if you look on the milestone for Matter 1.5, okay, so there are interesting profiles are bringing it, which is a Matter camera and energy management and also onboarding via NFC, which is commissioning by NFC. And as I mentioned earlier, the Matter support various transport. Among that, Thread is the predominant one, which is around 4K, followed by, Wi-Fi is the predominant one, followed by the Thread and Ethernet. So Samsung, we have a lot of products. Let's experience the Samsung products and the ecosystem through a short video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So this is about our products and the ecosystem, how it's simplify the life of our customers. Next, we will talk about a little bit on the thread border routers. So our Samsung Home Hub 2, which recently we got released, is the first border router got certified in this world. And we did it with the help of Scilab's GSTK 4.4.6, and it was necessary to achieve that remarkable target. And if you look on the features of Thread 1.4, the interesting features are like in NAT64. Your Thread device, sensor device, can directly connect it to the cloud or internet. So that's an interesting feature. That's how tomorrow is your sensor device going to work. And also the Trell feature, which is like your board routers to communicate over IP. And another interesting feature is the thread credential sharing. So by making use of the thread credential sharing, okay, we are coming up with a concept called thread unification. So wherein a separate thread networks will be combined together and form a single unified thread network so that the devices can seamlessly work across. It's a very interesting features the customers were looking for. And as you know, like Samsung SmartThings, we have something called as hub everywhere strategy. All the Samsung consumer product is going to support a built-in hub. You don't need to separately buy a hub for your home. For example, your Samsung TV, if you buy a 2025 TV, it is a built-in hub is present in that. And family refrigerator, it has a built-in hub, sound bar, even monitor. And we have, apart from that, we have dedicated hubs as well. This is a product portfolio of a few devices or consumer devices which we have a built-in hub in that. And all these devices are powered by Silicon Labs. Manish was talking about the intelligence, right? So built in little bit of intelligence also we have added into our hub ecosystem. As I mentioned earlier, in a home they are going to have multiple hubs. So what is the use of that? If I have a TV and I have a refrigerator, I have a two hub. So we have something called the intelligent like repeater concept. When you onboard the second device, okay, the second device automatically becomes the secondary hub, which can be used to extend the range in your corner dead spot areas. And also we have an intelligent backup and restore feature. When the primary hub goes down, the secondary hubs which are available in the home, which will take on the responsibility of the primary hub. And the vision, coming to the vision and the strategy, the matter focus mainly on the simplicity, interoperability, reliability, and the security aspect. And SmartThings, we are focusing mainly on the matter commissioner and the controller, and also support the later master specification. We also have support the platform ecosystem. We have WWST certifications, and we also provide home API, which can be used for the third party to write their own commission application. And also for the small device manufacturers, we are providing the Matter SDK. Using that, they can build your IoT sensor Matter device. Thank you.